fam, welcome back to Time Out with B. And on today's episode, I'm going to be telling you how to enhance your saving habits or simple steps on how to save better. I love helping people achieve their goals in life, and not just career and personal goals, but also financial goals. In one of my videos, I did how to set financial goals. If you've not checked that, please make sure you go check that video out. It's very important. You know all the financial goals you need to set and how to set them. And a little bit above earning is saving. Before we even go to investing, I'm going to be giving you about 6 to 7 steps, so I want you to follow me and pay close attention. The first thing I'm going to say is maintain a fixed amount of monthly expenses. Yes, you heard me right. Probably I've never heard this before. Budget your expenses, no matter the amount of money you receive in a particular month. Don't exceed the fixed amount of your monthly expenses. This is what I'm saying. For people doing a 9-to-5 job, a paid monthly income job, you have a fixed amount of money you earn and you budget every month. This is what I'm going to spend on transport, on feeding and all of that. Okay, let's assume you get a free money that is coming in. Don't change your monthly expenses because of that extra source of income that came in. Okay, because it's not regular. And this is easier for people earning a fixed amount monthly. For people in business, I am talking to you directly here. Have a fixed amount of money, because we tend to spend the way we earn. It's something you do subconsciously. It's just like the standard you set for yourself. So you set a monetary standard for yourself mentally. It's just like people, they are used to seeing 1M in their account. The day they see 10M in their account, if they are not diligent enough and budget enough and money conscious enough, they would not know how they would spend that money until it gets to 1M in their account. The fixed amount, the standard they subconsciously set for themselves as their money goal. And that is the issue with not having a fixed amount of monthly expenses. If you're a business person today, you can make 6 figures. Tomorrow, you can make 5 figures. Next tomorrow, business can bloom and you're making 8 figures. If you don't have a fixed amount of monthly expenses, you will spend it the way you see it. You say, wow, it's only me that has this money. I need to treat myself. This guy's work hard. That is when you start hearing, I've worked hard. I need to treat myself. No. And under this, I would say, do not overspend for no reason. Do not overspend. If the reason does not make sense, don't. Do not overspend. Okay? That is the first step to having a healthy saving habit, is that you have a fixed amount of monthly expenses and you do not overspend with no genuine reason. The next thing I'm going to say is track your expenses. I cannot mention budgeting without saying tracking your expenses. It's like a law, you know. If you don't know where money is going, how would you know how to save? And also tracking your expenses, I would say, if you cannot sit down every month to track your expenses, I don't know, how do you want to do it? It will take you less than 30 minutes to sit down just once a month to track. Then how do you even write your monthly goals? Track your expenses. You can get financial apps that you can use to track your expenses. There are applications that you don't have to use your bank card to make payments. You can make payment through that app and it will track all the money you use for airtime, or the one you use for payment and all of that, and you will know the amount of money, where your money goes every single month. Okay, make sure you consistently track your expenses for at least 5 months. Then you can sit down and generally analyze how you spend and give us an average view of how you spend your monthly income. Okay, so if you cannot get financial apps, because some of them you need to pay for subscription and all of that, and we need to cut down on subscription, I'm going to go there in my next point. You can also get free fillable worksheets that you can track I have a financial budget intentional living planner that you can download. The link is under this video, is in the description box, and I'm going to display it on the screen right now. Go to the link, download it. You will see a fillable PDF that you can use to write your monthly goals, but there's also a financial tracker, and in the worksheet there's the proposed budget and there's the actual budget. So before the month begin, you propose a budget, or even before the way I design it, before the year, you propose your budget. How am I going to spend this month? Then at the end of the month, you track down what you actually spend. That way you know where your money is going, you know where to cut down on some expenses, and you know how much you can afford to save. The third thing I'm going to say is practice minimalism lifestyle. Financially, it's very healthy to buy only what you need. That's it. Minimalism is as simple as that. Cut out all unnecessary expenses. Buy only what you need, not what you want, not the impulse feeling. Know how to delay gratification. Practice, embrace it. Let it be your lifestyle. And on this note, I would say sell out anything that does not give you joy or that does not add value to your life. If you have a vendor that you buy things constantly from, you can choose to sell out things you've not used in a while to them. It's not only giving it out to charity, you can sell it out at a very cheap rate. And the money, you save it, don't spend it. Don't spend it, save it. If you know anybody that do retail sale or resell, you can mix them up. And I would say, oh, I bought this bag or this from you, or even if you didn't buy it from them, you can say that, and I want to resell it at a cheaper rate. Maybe I bought it for 10,000, I want to resell it for 4,000, and by the time you resell about 3 to 5 shoes, that is something you can save that. So sell out anything that you've not worn, is not giving you joy. The next thing is to cancel automatic payments and subscriptions and membership. Cancel that gym membership that you have never been to. Some people went there just twice. Cancel it. Make sure you don't have any automatic payment or subscription. Only subscribe when you are watching it or when you want to use it. Those are the ways we can cut down on our expenses and improve our saving habits. That being said, we've known how to cut down our expenses and budget our monthly income. Now I would say set a saving goal. You have to have a goal. I'll be sounding like a broken record when I say that once the purpose of a thing is not known, abuse is inevitable. If you don't know the purpose, the reason, the why you're saving, you're going to spend that money. Activate a saving goal, a saving plan. Know why you're saving. What are you saving towards? Here is when you ask yourself, why are you saving exactly? What are you saving towards? What is your saving plan? What are the intervals in which you'll be saving? What is the budget of the saving? Are you saving towards a vacation, a Christmas thing, or something you want to buy, a gadget, a phone, a car you want to get? Are you saving towards enjoyment? Are you saving towards academic, towards a particular degree? Having a goal and a plan gives you the drive to save more, to save better. After having a saving goal and plan, then you pick the right tools. What is the perfect tool that suits your own saving budget? And that takes me to the next point, which is activate automatic saving. There's several apps you can use to save, especially if you're in Nigeria, from Cowrywise to Piggyvest to Alert to Colo, and there's several other ones. I'm going to list them on the screen. So pick the one that suits you, because each of them have their perks and they have their different interest rates, okay, depending on the plan. You can automate it that it's automatically remove that money in your account every single month. So you can automate it and put it on the date you're going to be getting your salary if you are a salary earner, or at the end of the month when you know there will be bulk money in your account. And that way you don't even think about it. It automatically removes the money from your account. Those are the ways you can encourage and improve your saving habit. And the last on my list is watch your money grow. You know that satisfaction it gives you when you look at your app and you look at your savings account and you see money inside. It boosts it does something to you mentally. Even if your real bank account is saying 0.000 and there's money somewhere in your savings account, you don't think like a poor person. You don't make decisions like a poor person, because subconsciously you're subconscious about the fact that you're rich, you have money. So watch your money grow. Give it time instead of it just sitting down in the bank and you are free to withdraw it anytime. Put it in a savings account and just see your money grow, so that you don't live from paycheck to paycheck. On our financial success ladder, the next step after earning is saving. And I hope with this video I've been able to make savings easy for you, and there will be so many other contents, financial content coming your way. So hit the subscribe button and click on the notification bell so you don't miss out on any other episode. Share it with your friends, like this video, and comment. Please drop a comment below. Tell me any of the financial habits that you have used that has worked for you in helping you to save, and how you've been able to build your saving habits. I would love to learn from you. Okay, thank you so much for watching, and check out my other video right here and right here. I'm so sure you're going to enjoy them. This especially is my how to set financial goals, so make sure you check it out.